Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the market is doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade. So starting with the market, the Sensex and the Nifty today seem to be trading in the red. Surely they are taking cues coming in from the global market, but the market seems to be a bit tempered compared to its global peers. Overall, when you look at it today, we have Nifty, Sensex both down more than 0.2% in trade. Nifty trading below the 17,800 levels, nearing the 17,700 levels actually, while the Sensex is trading around the 59,450 levels as well. Now overall, when you look at it, the broader markets actually are outperforming the benchmark indices and doing quite well as in trade as well. So surely broader markets outperforming the benchmark indices. Now let's have a quick look sector wise what sectors are doing well today. Metal surely doing well among the top sectoral gainer. Other than that, we have PSU Bank also, which is doing quite well, and pharma space also up more than 2%. All these sectors up more than 2% in trade, while finance as well as FMCG seems to be a slight bit under pressure. Now other than that, power stocks today, let's talk about power stocks doing quite well in trade. Power stocks, the share companies linked to the power sector actually has surged today in trade as a near complete reopening of businesses has increased the demand of electricity for the companies overall, and that is why we're seeing Tata Power has gained more than 8.9% in trade, around 8.9% in trade, and that is set for its highest level since January 2008. PTC India, also another stock which is buzzing. Power stock up 11%, NTPC up more than 5%, Torrent Power Grid, all this up more than 3% in trade as well. So surely power stocks buzzing in trade today. Moving on, Godrej Properties, another stock which is doing quite well, gained more than 6.5% in trade today, after the company says that it has entered into an agreement for redevelopment of a land parcel in an upscale neighbourhood in Mumbai in Wadala. So surely keep an eye out on that. The company is saying this project will approximately be 1.6 million square feet of saleable area, comprising primarily of residential apartments of various configurations as well. So surely keeping an eye out on Godrej Properties on this redeveloping agreement which they have received. Ease My Trip, another stock that has been buzzing in trade today. The stock is up as much as 2% in trade, more than around 2% in trade, after SpiceJet and Ease My Trip have entered into an exclusive partnership for holiday bookings. Holiday season is just around the corner. People have been doing a lot of revenge travel as well, so surely keep an eye out on this travel space. As of now, Ease My Trip up more than 2% in trade. Cyient also in focus today, up as much as 3.5% in trade after the company has enhanced its additive manufacturing solution with an implementation of SLM 280 system in Florida, and this is keeping the stock in focus as well. Lastly, BLS International is in focus. The stock is gained as much as 2.5% in trade after the company has won an order for Italy visa processing services in Russia, and this is what is keeping all these stocks a buzz, and let's see how they end in trade as well.